Hello guys, so we're gonna talk about clarity grading, clarity of a diamond, right? So what we have here are two diamonds. One is on the left is a 0.64 G color VS2, right? On the right you have 0.60 H color VS2. So it doesn't matter the color, right? So the one on the left here has a VS2 and this one has a VS2 as well. So why am I showing you these two diamonds? You might be quite confused. Is there any difference in these two diamonds? I mean, since they are VS2, should I trust the grading that GIA has? Technically, yes, you should. But here's the thing: when you talk about grading a diamond, right? It's not just about one individual grading every single diamond on clarity. There are probably different individuals grading a diamond. So could there be any differences in the interpretation of a VS2, for example? Right now, I have these two diamonds. Right from afar, it looks fine. Right, that they look perfectly fine. They are eye clean, but I wouldn't say the one on the right is eye clean, because by naked eye, I can spot some things within the diamond, especially the black spots under the table. And you'll be wondering, oh, does all VS2s has black spots? No, actually, because you can get a VS2s without any black spots, without any inclusions that is near to the side of the diamond, cutting across the girdle. You won't have this kind of risk. So what I'm trying to say is there are different interpretations of VS2s graded by GIA, and which means there are class 1s VS2s and there are class 2s VS2s, right? Let's talk about the diamond on the left. Okay, so let me just focus into the left side. Okay, basically from the certificate, right, it has the grade VS2 grading with a clarity characteristics of cloud and crystal. Right, so basically you can see some forms of crystals on this portion. Yeah, you see these white spots and some parts here. Okay, all right, probably the grading is not probably, I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. So the thing is, how come this diamond achieved the VS2 grading? Because it has cloud, it has crystal, maybe a little bit more than what it should have, what it should be. And so instead of achieving a VS1 grading, this diamond have achieved a VS2. Okay, so let's say if I tells you the diamond on the right, this diamond, okay, it is also a VS2. Now, will you be shocked? Would you want to have a VS2 grading like this with black spots in the middle under the table? I wouldn't. All right, so if I happen to see this, if let's say in layman terms, right, if I happen to come across diamond like this with a very VS2 grading, I will stay away from VS2 probably all my life. But now that you know there are two versions of VS2s, you can actually maximize on the carat, or maximize on what you want in the 4Cs probably. Maybe go down to a VS2 which doesn't pose any durability risk, which doesn't show too much of the inclusion because it's so small, it's not visible through the naked eye, right? Or not too many. Okay, so the thing is, would you consider a VS2 if it's like this on the one on the left? I would, because it doesn't pose any durability risk. It's not too many, it's not a lot, and it's not too obvious. Going back to this diamond on the right, okay, you see these black spots on the table, right? Let's say if I shift the diamond a little bit, right? What you do not want to see is also something that the inclusions cutting across the girdle, yeah, because it may pose a durability risk. Okay, let me just shift it like that. Okay, going back to here again. Now, do you see the inclusions? At different angle, you are able to see the black spots. It never fails to attract someone's attention in a very bad way. So how is this possible? Because of different interpretations. Let me just put it back, yeah, very nicely. So let's focus on this diamond. Would you go with this? No, I would not. All right. So the main agenda today is to show you that there are different versions of VS2s that GI has graded, and because of that, I would still consider a VS2 by doing my due diligence, looking at the diamond, right, through a 10 times magnification scope, right? Just look out for any inclusions that are very big or too many of them, and also black spots. All right, this is going to be an eyesore for you. All right. So through this video, you get to know that, okay, since they are bad ones, I know what to look out for, and I hope this helps. It's really, I hope this helps in your selection, because if you're someone who wants to consider something that is not too, I mean, the clarity grading with a VS2, this might be the one that you can go for instead of this one. Right? You can go for this one. It's not too bad. Let me just shift the angle a little bit. How wonderful it is. Just look at it. All right, so I hope this video helps in your selection, and till next time, we're going to talk about other things, right? You can send me a text on what you want to, what video you want me to look at, what video you want me to make for you. All right, so thank you guys, thank you for listening. See you next time.